Pandas are here to say hello. Pandas are here to say goodbye. Hey. Hi. How's it going? It's Erin here, and I'm here to say hey. Hey. Hi. Ho. Yeah. So, yeah, it's today, and today is the 23rd. Yeah, the 23rd, which means it's Christmas Eve. Yeah. And tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and oh my gosh, it's Christmas very soon. And I'm not ready for that. It's gone really fast. I mean, I can remember yesterday and just thinking it was like the 1st of December, and now it's the 23rd already. Where's the time gone? Which is what I'm thinking. Oh, I've got an itchy face. Oh great. My hair's so annoying when it's natural. It's like, hey, yeah, I'm gonna. I don't like I've got a bowl cut. Hey, just put a bowl on my head and. Oh yeah, my hair is so annoying when it's just been showered because it's so fluffy. It's just like, I'm gonna do my own thing, yeah. I'm gonna, especially when I'm out in the wind, I end up coming back looking like this, like. Oh, hi guys. Freaking hair. Ooh. But look at my roots. They're a totally different colour. But the bizarre thing is I don't get is my roots were the darkest parts of my blonde. Because I had, you know, when I had this really light blonde hair that I had. And then the tops of my hair was just my roots, so that much were the roots. And for some reason that's gone lighter, even though my hair dye doesn't have any pre-lightener in it or anything. But whatever. And my green's already faded, so I'm gonna have to redo that. Although it looks turquoise now. But I got turquoise in. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. But I'll probably redo that. I don't really put that much green on it anyway. But I don't. I can't explain that pig noise I just made, but it's a hiccup. There's another one. There's another one just for you. But yeah. Oh my gosh! They won't leave me alone. They're taking over my body. It's like an alien. It's like an alien that's just attacked me. I gotta click my back. Well, I'm in a random mood. Look at my slipper. But yeah. I keep saying that! So annoying. So annoying, Erin. How dare you? Look, candle. Can you see it? That thing right there. Today is a special day for cheese and onion. I've just had a vegetable korma, and oh my gosh, they're amazing. And no. Oh, we have to wait an hour though. I was like thinking, I'm so hungry, I want my food. It's alright, we got it in the end, so yeah. Oh, this hair. Might as well just put it all back. Oh great, that looks attractive. Oh, hello, I've got a little bit of a horn there. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it there. I'm now... The horn is doing something it shouldn't be. But yes, anyway, I thought I'd just update you guys, although I didn't really update anything. I'm just chatting stuff. Quite a long video. I didn't know I could talk so much, but I talked and you guys listened if you have got this far. Unless you've already been like, oh, this girl's a lot of crap. Access denied. You can't get off this. How dare you? What? I don't even know. But I got some sad news. My last sea monkey died, and now I have none. I'm all upset. I miss my little sea monkey. I think his name is Jim. Yeah, that sounds like a suitable name. Jim. So 2 days. Christmas. What? Where did that come from? And you know I did that it's snowing video the other day. Well, it didn't last very long. it only got warmer. It's been raining for the last few days, and it's like, why? It's supposed to be Christmas. Where's the snow? But anyway, I'm with my family, so it's all good. And oh, focus camera. And I don't even know what I'm getting for Christmas, so surprises. But anyway, better go before I bore you guys to death, because it's like, wow, 5 minutes long. I'm not going to keep you guys any longer because I'm getting bored. I'm boring myself. So, goodbye. Ow.